Ice storm disaster waiting to happen. May it not be. Well, 9:30. The power's gone. So, well, let's see. This disaster is continuing to unfold. Now we're starting to lose branches. It's what? 10:30. There, the trees are getting a little help from the roof. Oh, here come the chunks. Oh, and there go the trees. Tree, which I protected forever. Oops. Don't fall on me. Ah, that just fell. The Langoliers are eating our world. Oh, there goes another one. Oh, geez. Pretty nasty out there. Oop. That's chunks of ice and trees hitting the top of the building. 3:30, and now the destruction really is starting to crank. I just constantly hear big things going off out in the woods, and now you can see the sky. Well, I don't see how these trees can take much more. Man, what a scene of destruction. We still have trees, but they are just barely hanging in there. So much for our power lines. Wiped out our new fence. I think disaster is up here. Look, there's a line across the road here. So, yeah, there goes the lines. Poles are the only way you can get to your house. Into the tunnels of destruction. Oh, to have skipped this day over.